IRS news stories. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another breaking news alerts and updates. Make sure to check out the IRS news stories playlist pinned in the comment section as well as in the description box for other stories. Let's go ahead and get started. Deuces Wild, made up of Samara Marrel and Noel Brown, were two Detroit-based rappers who were both part of a multi-million dollar scheme that stole over $5 million from the IRS. Marrel and another woman, Noel Brown, were both charged in July of 2021 with aggravated identity theft, false claims, and conspiracy. According to the 2021 IRS complaint, the two women were part of an elaborate tax scheme where the women claim withholdings and refunds of more than 13.6 million between 2013 and 2017. Marrel has not been in contact with the court since July 25th, 2022, and according to court records, she has missed repeated meetings with the court, pretrial services, and her own attorney. In a court filing, Judge Linda Parker issued an arrest warrant and revoked the bond of Marrel after she failed to appear. Additionally, it is believed she claimed to work at an Oak Park wig shop that may have never existed. On October 7th, authorities visited the wig shop she claimed to work at, and it is called Wig Cleaners on West 9 Mile Road in Oak Park, but officials said there was no business operating at that address. The owner of a neighboring business said he bought the building recently and told officials that they were unsure what the defendant's business was, as it never seemed to be up and running. Because of her failure to appear, her bond has been revoked, and a new warrant has been issued for her arrest. The special agent investigating the case said that information from IRS Scheme Development Center identified multiple false and fraudulent tax returns for estates and trusts set up under businesses filed between 2013 and 2017. Goodnight also said the women were involved in schemes to file returns for trusts using other people's identities without their consent, and would get other people involved and then have those people pay the women from the refunds issued. Wow. In those returns, Goodnight said they claim the IRS had withheld large amounts of income tax from the trust filing returns. All told, Goodnight said the false reported withholdings claim refunds of more than 13.6 million, and that the IRS paid out $5,539.49 to the women before they finally recognized the fraud. That's a lot of money. Also, there were identity theft charges. Goodnight said Marrel opened up at least 29 bank accounts from 2014 to 2018. 14 of them had 25 fraudulent tax refund checks deposited. 8 received money derived from some of the fraudulent refunds. 1 was in the name of a person claiming to be a victim of identity theft with the initials AK. Was that person a part of this scheme? This person's name was also connected to 5 different fraudulent trust returns. The returns filed under AK's name requested almost $2.5 million in refunds, which the IRS paid out $462,601. The funds were deposited into an account in AK's name, but that woman said she did not open the account. Goodnight said money was sent from the account in AK's name to Marrel and JP, including more than $17,000 that was made out to LJB Automotive, which is a company registered to Marrel in the state of Michigan. So who is JP? Well, in May 2018, agents investigated JP, who said she was a victim of identity theft as well, and said she didn't know Marrel and didn't give her permission to set up trust funds or file tax returns in her name. We don't know. It says a total of 8 fraudulent tax returns or tax refunds were deposited into accounts with JP's name, totaling $1,066,332. Additionally, 14 other trust tax returns using the name JP were set up and requested 1.6 million refunds from 2016 to 2017. The money was never paid because the IRS, I guess, finally caught up to the scheme. That is a lot of money that they got away with before the IRS caught on. But remember, the IRS is always lurking. You cannot hide from the Internal Revenue Service. It states that the women both face up to 10 years in federal prison if they are convicted. Please tell us your opinion on this week's IRS news stories. And like I mentioned, check out the playlist with other IRS news stories pinned in the comment section as well as in the description box. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most. I am doing the research, so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.